welcome back to Gamerbloo. This is Wadi, and today, I was just scrolling down YouTube, and I saw this video on CNN saying green comet seen from Earth for the first time since the Stone Age. Like you see right there, like heavens above, new image of green comet seen above Stonehenge, first time visible from Earth in about 50,000 years. So this might be a little bit interesting. Let's check it out.
We just got this new image of an historic event at an equally historic location, a green-hued comet that has not been visible in the night sky since the Stone Age. That's about 50,000 years ago. It was recently photographed above Stonehenge in England. As close as the comet got to Earth, it was still a ways away, more than 100 times the distance to the moon, but it is a rare and historic treat to see it. I'm joined now by Adam Frank, professor of astrophysics at the University of Rochester. Professor Frank, thank you so much for being with us. How significant is this comet, and did you get a chance to see it yourself?
Well, the thing that's really cool about this is time, right? If you think of the comet as it goes around in its orbit as like a clock, then the last time that, the hands were pointing to where it is now was the Ice Age, essentially, when there was 2 miles of ice above my head in Rochester, and the entire world's population could fit into Cleveland. So, it's just, what this really shows us is these comets are visitors from, the dawn of time in many ways, and it's just such an amazing thing to think about. The last time this comet went by, it was all forests, and now it's, New York City and TikTok. So the comet's probably pretty surprised.
Well, I missed it last time and this time, so now I have to wait another 50,000 years?
Well, actually, it's possible this comet, a comet like this, which is coming from very far out, like, literally almost a light year away, at the very edges of the solar system, it's possible this comet's going to leave, that actually interactions with Saturn or Jupiter are going to give it just enough energy that it's never coming back.
It was just discovered, and this is unusual also, it was just discovered last March. So how common is it to discover something that old?
Well, there's two kinds of comets. There's the ones that come around, less than every 200 years, like Halley's. Every, what is it? I think 75 years or so, Halley comes by. But these comets are so far out that really you only pretty much catch them once. You catch them the first time that they're coming in, because often they'll fall into the sun, or once they're gone, they're not coming back forever, or for 50,000 years. So it's this new telescope technology, amazing technology we have, that can pick up faint objects in the sky as they change position, one night after the other. It's taking like pictures of the entire sky every night. So it's because of that transient telescope, we call that we're able to catch more of these. And soon we'll probably be catching a lot more of these intruders from the edge of the solar system.
I keep looking at the pictures because they're just stunning. We've got 30 seconds left. I understand the comet can be differentiated from the stars because it has that streaking tail of dust and energized particles around it, as well as something called a green coma surrounding it. What exactly is a coma in this context, and where does the green come from?
Yeah, so a comet is basically a giant mountain of mush, of frozen mush. And as it comes in towards the sun, it heats up. And as it heats up, the ices begin to melt and vaporize. And so the coma is sort of this gas and plasma that's surrounding the comet that just recently went from the ice state to the gaseous state. And the green comes from actually light from the sun ripping apart molecules like cyanide or carbons, two carbon atoms that are glued together. And so it's that green hue is telling you that the surface of the comet is kind of being torn apart by the intense light from the sun.
Yeah, again, if you missed it this time, it may not exist in a few more years because it may get torn apart, so don't get upset. Professor, great to talk to you. Thank you very much, really helping us understand this marvel that we have seen.
So, that is crazy. So, like, this right here, this whole energy comet thing, like everything's going crazy this day and age. Like, we just seen like Chinese spy balloon. I believe it was 2 of them. Like, it was floating around like Montana, and then the second one was in I believe in around South America or something. But they had shot one of them down. I don't know if they shot both of them. But then you got this green comet passing by Earth So whoever missed it, well, I think we still got time. I think it'll still be visible till the 12th of February. And I think by the 22nd of February it'll be gone or something like that. But yeah, I mean, this is pretty cool, you know, like stuff like that, you know, like space, you know, just imagine like the stuff around space, you know, like different planets, different types of species. You think about Star Trek, Star Wars, you know, like just what kind of technology they have, or even if they have technology, you know, just seeing like what's the cosmos have that us humans wish to, you know, just to even comprehend, you know. But yeah, anyways, that was it for the video. Like and subscribe if you like the video contents I post. And I'm right now, like, I told myself this year I want to create like different types of videos. I'll be doing like, you know, winners for different game awards, as well as like things I look into as far as NFTs, blockchain. But you know, I'm also like looking at stuff like this, like technology, space, you know, like what's going on in the universe, as well as like, you know, magic, robots, you know, innovative things, stuff like that. So, you know, just keep watching, you know, to see more I have. Also, I'll be promoting my artwork, the stuff I've been drawing recently, and you know, I just got a lot of stuff to share. I do a lot of stuff. You know, I'm an artist, like I said before. I'm an artist, graphic designer, web designer. Got, you know, clients. You know, some of them can be tough, and others are very laid back. But yeah, I'm gonna show you more to come in the future. But anyway, this is Wadi from Gamerbloo. Talk to y'all soon. Take care. God bless. Bye.